Hey guys, it's the biker girl here. I overtook what I believe to be an Audi R8 today. Check it out.
Ooh, what's this? Not sure. Looks like an Audi. Looks like a park Audi. Still gonna overtake him though, because he's going slow. And I don't want to. He's got a nice back end mind, hasn't he? I'm gonna go for it. As soon as I get around this corner, I'm gonna go for it. After that lorry. Oh, he's let me by. Oh, he's let me by. Oh, thanks, mate. Cheers, mate. Ooh, that was nice. I don't know what that was, but it was nice.
Haha, so yeah, it's only because he kindly let me pass. And did you see his number plate? It was wicked. Yeah, I'm gonna take it as an overtake, even though he was just nice and let me pass. But let me know in the comments if I'm wrong and it's not an Audi R8. But I thought it was pretty nice. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and yeah, I'll make another video very soon. I promise.